Welcome back to another video. So we are currently within CATIA V5 and we're going to take a look at the Human Activity Analysis workbench. Mostly how to check the balance of a mannequin. As you can see, I'm currently within this workbench, but if I'm going to double click a mannequin, this will take me to this one, which will be Human Posture Analysis workbench. And underneath the display of mannequin, we can also enable balance. And we see that by default for this character, which is within the default starting position, the balance will be with red. That means that the character is well balanced. We can also enable the center of gravity. We see it over there. And starting from that, we're going to have that balance, normal axis. Now, if I will change the posture of the character, for example, for this one, I have one foot forward. And if I'm going to check the balance, it will be with red. So this is currently no longer in balance. But if I will go and using the posture editor, I will slightly change this. As we can see, somewhere over here between 34 and 37, this will again become in balance for the following posture. And again, if I will change this, over here the character is still in balance, but if I'm going to slightly move this, since this leg is well positioned, the character will be in balance, even though it will just move this flexion all the way to the back. If I'm going to change this to the medial rotation, we're going to see that it will still remain in balance. But if I'm going to slightly adjust it over here, it will still remain in balance. But again, as soon as I will move this, the character will no longer be in balance. So keep in mind that this is just a roughly estimation for the overall character balance. If you're going to take a look at the following one, I will want to move this from the torso. So we see it over here. If I will incline the character, I also need to enable that balance so we can see it while we are working on the posture. So this is the lumbar flexion extension. As you can see, if I will move this, it will no longer be in balance. But if I will select the hands, if I will try to compensate that balance over here, starting from the hands, we're going to see that we cannot fully compensate that. But if I will adjust the position of the leg, this character again will reach balance. And we have one more case study over here. If you're going to check this and again enable the balance, we're going to see that in this case the character is well balanced, even though one of the legs is over here with medial rotation set to 50, and we have this flexion. So it will remain in balance even like this. If I'm going to move this, again we have balance. If I will change the abduction over here, we're going to see that from the thigh, starting from this location, the character will lose balance. Okay, so overall we can use this tool, so the human posture analysis, with the balance for the mannequin in order to understand the overall center of gravity of the mannequin as well as the balance for that. Keep in mind that this is not standard for everybody, so some humans will have a better balance, even though they have the posture different than the one present over here. So this is roughly an estimation, and I really appreciate the fact that CATIA added this, and this has been added within CATIA for a long time now. And few other CAD solutions try to approach this human ergonomics because this is quite complicated. But this is a big plus that CATIA decided to implement this. I will also make a video regarding this within 3D Experience. Okay, so I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will add the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.